Stressing that innovation is the key driver of growth and development, President Pranab Mukherjee on Friday said that a special fund would be set up to help innovators turn their ideas into reality. The president was speaking at a function at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, where the second report to the people was presented to him. NIC chairman Sam Pitroda presented the report to the president. Pranab Mukherjee also said that the country has to evolve its own special model of development to ensure that its benefits reach the common man.
We have to evolve our own model of development, which must be based on our unique needs and challenges, especially the challenges of equitable growth. The prime focus has to be on affordability, sustainability, and scalability. India today needs to innovate products and services that are affordable and which do not compromise on either efficiency or quality.
Speaking on the occasion, Telecom Minister Kapil Sibal said, the National Optical Fibre Network will provide optical fibre-based broadband connectivity to over 2.5 lakh panchayats in the country to enhance development and innovation at the grassroots.
To accelerate the reach of connectivity to enhance development and innovation at the grassroots, NOFN will provide optic fibre-based broadband connectivity to 250,000 panchayats in the country. I dare say that perhaps this is one of the most innovative projects launched anywhere in the world.
With an aim to produce affordable and qualitative solutions that address the needs of people at the bottom of the pyramid, the NIC aims to turn 2010-2020 into a decade of innovation.
National Innovation Council was set up by Honorable Prime Minister to really look at the decade of innovation 2010-2020 and see how we can promote and plant seeds to change mindset, focus on innovation, and really help empower people at the bottom of the economic pyramid.
The second annual report of the Council has stressed on boosting employment by promoting new innovation and technology in the fields of education, health and industry. With Bureau Inputs, Rishi Kumar's report, DD News.